The Curious Adventure of Sparky the Squirrel. Once upon a time, in a lively forest filled with tall trees and colorful flowers, there lived a curious and energetic squirrel named Sparky. Sparky had a fur coat as bright as autumn leaves, and his tail was like a fluffy question mark that wiggled with excitement. One sunny day, Sparky woke up with an idea that made his whiskers twitch. He wanted to explore the farthest corners of the forest and discover something new. As he scampered from tree to tree, his little heart danced with anticipation. On his journey, Sparky met a wise old owl named Oliver perched on a sturdy branch. Oliver, with his round glasses, looked at Sparky and said, "Young one, the greatest adventures often come from the simplest of curiosities. What do you seek in the heart of the forest?" Sparky, his eyes sparkling with enthusiasm, replied, "I want to find something no squirrel has ever found before, something that makes my heart leap." Oliver chuckled, "Then off you go, but remember, the real treasure may not be what you expect." Undeterred, Sparky continued his quest, leaping over rocks and chattering with the birds. Along the way, he noticed a peculiar-looking bush with berries of every color. The berries seemed to be whispering secrets to each other. In his excitement, Sparky reached out to pluck a berry, but a gentle voice emanated from the bush. "Hold on, little adventurer. Before you take a bite, consider the feelings of others." Surprised, Sparky looked closely and saw a family of birds nestled in the branches above the bush. The berries were their home, and they depended on them for shelter. Realization dawned on Sparky. He understood that sometimes the greatest discoveries were not about things, but about understanding and empathy. With newfound wisdom, Sparky decided to befriend the birds and protect their berry home. As the seasons changed, the birds and Sparky became the best of friends. They shared stories, played games, and created a vibrant community in the heart of the forest. One day, wise old Oliver approached Sparky and said, "You see, young one, the greatest treasures are the friendships we build and the kindness we show. Your heart leapt not from a thing you found, but from the compassion you shared." And so, in the lively forest filled with tall trees and colorful flowers, Sparky and his feathered friends taught the other animals the joy of sharing, kindness, and the magic that happens when hearts leap together. And as the sun set, casting a warm glow over the treetops, the forest echoed with laughter and the rustling of leaves, a testament to the curious adventure and the lessons learned by Sparky the squirrel.